Guys, I am actually finishing up my move. I'll give you more detail in my monthly updates video. But right now, the kicker part is trying to get all of the old stuff. Get the stuff out of my old place. So it is empty. Stuff right there needs to get straightened up. This is basically all that I kind of like have left. That room, my daughter's gonna take care of that. But I got a lot of stuff done. All the drawers and stuff is cleaned out. The fridge is cleaned out. Everything is clean. It's just getting all this other stuff out of here. It's my old room, y'all. It's clean. My closet is clean. So now this bathroom is clean. And I'm just basically trying to just get the rest of this stuff out. I did 2 loads today. And this is our last load. The stuff we gotta do. So yeah, you guys stay tuned. So yeah, this is the last of the stuff that we gotta do. So you guys stay tuned. I'll definitely be giving you guys an update.